Jake with the roof tube. Today we're working with regular grade, gun grade Kwik Kaulk. You can see here, this is thicker than the fastener grade or the seam grade. Is so heavy, and we're developing some fasteners on this commercial metal roof. This is a car dealership, and in here we actually have our 1-inch seam grade tip, which is bigger than our normal fastener grade tips, but it's working great today because this is such a thick, heavy product. So here's how this works. You have a little 15-degree bevel, and what I'm going to do is put a little bit of pressure right here in between each screw, and I'm going to make sure that the tip has enough of the material in it. And away I go. You want to make sure that you have the fastener fully encased in product. Regular grade, get that 1-inch tip out.